What's up, y'all? What's up? What's up? What's up? So, got some stuff in the mail today. All right. So, when I bought my S9 Plus, I bought the headset, my OtterBox, um, but I also ordered one thing. They didn't have it in stock, so I was like, all right, cool. So I go look at my account, and they draw $50 out. I was like, okay, cool. They already sent it out. But I ain't never got no tracking number or nothing. But, well, it came in the mail today. I'm a happy camper. So, bam. Now I can actually use a watch now. There we go. I really need to get me a GoPro because this is going to get very annoying. But also, something else came in the mail today. Alright, so yeah, now everything's just about done now. I got all the stuff to rebuild the coilovers. Got the suspension. I got the catless now. I got the catted one on now. This is for ARH. So putting that on probably tonight. I don't know. I really want to put the splitter on and the GXP diffuser. So I'm about to really go ahead and get started with that. But now really all I need now is just to get those painted and get some red Brimbos. And then put the new spindle on. Because I broke some studs on the back right a long time ago. I've been doing some really dangerous stuff, very sketchy stuff. I mean, all the lug nuts still tighten up. They just snap. They're not, full studs anymore. So everything's slowly coming together, but it's coming though. It's coming. So I'm finna go hit up Ace so I can go get some bolts because a lot of people with G8s, they know that, like, if you lower you back up on something, it pulls off your diffuser, and sometimes even the part of the bumper that the diffuser connects to, you rip it. So I ripped it right in the middle. So I'm gonna get some JB Weld and just use that to get it back into one piece again, so it won't be split. And then get some nuts and bolts and some washers, and use that to hold up the bottom of the diffuser through the trunk. So I'm gonna go do that, and I'm gonna get the drill and drill the hole for the splitter rods. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go see about Jasmine's present. I can't say it on here because she watches my videos, so she subscribed to it. So can't say what I'm gonna get her. So, and I also gotta go to T-Mobile because I think they overcharged me on something. So I'm gonna go double check on that because they gave me I paid $20 for a SIM card, but I don't see nowhere on here to put a SIM card. So give me my money. So yeah. But low key, the charging dock for this watch is clean, but just magnetic, and it sits in that motherfucker. Godly. But yeah, I'm not gonna be doing updates every day because I won't have stuff to update every day. You know what I mean? But yeah, I think that's about it. Yeah, deuces.